DGP has been sent on the leave. Do you think this is a justified action which has been taken by the Haryana government in this IPS suicide case?
This certainly does not point towards any justice. There's no justice, there's no whiff of justice here. After 8 days, when a senior IPS officer took his own life, he was forced to take his own life after 8 days because Rahul Gandhi ji was visiting the family. They have just resorted to some kind of an eyewash. The family is not at all satisfied. And everyone can understand. And it's not just the family. Now, today, you must understand that this issue has assumed such large proportions that all the Dalits of the country, even those who are residing abroad, they are all looking at this government and seeing and watching that this government is incapable of meting out justice to Dalits.
We have seen even the Chandigarh police, they have not registered by name FIR. This was the prime demand of the family members. Do you think they are not able to get the primary justice in this case?
You see, the family understands. Wife is a senior IAS officer. Everybody understands that nothing was done here. It was only even the documents that were required, which should have been supplied, were not given. So here you see that everything has become just as we say, dikhava hai. But
We have seen even Rahul Gandhi, he has raised this systematically discrimination all over the country. How this family will get justice from the Haryana government if you are not satisfied with the transfer of SP also, with the removal of the DGP also?
So how can the family be satisfied? What they are asking for is action. This is certainly no action.
Thank you so much for talking. So well, we can see even this Kumari Sailja, member parliament, she says no action has been taken by the state government, and sending the DGP on leave is not a justified action at all. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Group Singh China for NDTV, Chandigarh.